Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Apple Cash is active in Wallet and that you can authenticate with Face ID or your passcode. Next, make sure you have funds available or a linked debit card because payments will draw from those sources. Open Messages, choose the person, or create a new conversation. Tap the App Store icon, then the Apple Pay button. That's the first actionable step to create a payment request. Once done, you'll be ready to enter an amount and proceed to confirmation. Now you enter the exact dollar amount and verify the recipient shown at the top. Small errors go to the wrong person. Choose whether to send from your Apple Cash balance or a linked debit card. Be aware that cards may incur fees. Tap Pay and then Authenticate. Double-click the side button for Face ID or enter your passcode when prompted. Make sure to watch for the confirmation animation. It indicates Apple processed the payment and sent a receipt in Messages. After sending, confirm the payment bubble and tap the receipt to review details like amount, funding source, and date. If it didn't send, first make sure you have internet, your Apple ID is signed in, the card is valid and funded, and iOS is up to date. Then retry. If you or the recipient need a refund, request they send money back or use Messages to coordinate. For unauthorized charges, contact Apple support promptly. Keep screenshots.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.